What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Old School Car Fanatic. Well, this video is going to be about the 84 Buick, which I haven't been paying too much attention to lately. I've been neglecting her, and I'm about to show her some TLC this weekend. We will be replacing window sweeps, and I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret, because I looked up window sweeps online, and I couldn't find anything for the LeSabre, but the window sweeps are the same on the LeSabre that are in the Caprice, and the windows. The windows and the window sweeps are interchangeable from the Chevrolet Caprice to the Buick LeSabre. I will be doing a tutorial video on how to install front and back outer window sweeps later on this weekend when I get to this project. Just want to tell everybody thank you. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned. We got plenty more content coming. Peace.